Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix sound not working in Hogwarts Legacy on PC. Follow each solution step by step, and your audio should be restored. Let's get started. Solution 1. Set the correct playback device, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click Hardware and Sound. Select Sound. In the Playback tab, make sure your speakers or headphones are selected. Click Set Default. Click Apply if available, then close the window. Solution 2. Right-click your active audio device. Select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume is not set to the lowest level or muted. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 3. In the same audio device properties, open the Advanced tab. Set the default format to 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. Uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. Go back to Update Driver. Select Browse my computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver. Click Next and wait for installation. Restart your PC to apply changes. Solution 7. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to complete. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Search for updates. Download and install any available driver updates. Final step. Launch Hogwarts Legacy and check if the sound is working. That's it. Your audio should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.